In this video, we're going to show you how to install the serpentine belt tensioner on your Jeep Grand Cherokee located on the front side of your engine. On the passenger side of the engine, we're going to come on down to the ribbed pulley right here on the tensioner. Using our 15mm socket and our ratchet, we're going to go ahead and pull the ratchet towards the driver's side, releasing the tension on the tensioner. We can go ahead and remove our belt. Release the tension there and remove your ratchet and socket. Now, before we completely remove our belt, it is a good time for you to go ahead and document the routing of your belt. Once you have that documentation done, we can now go ahead and remove our belt. On the center of our tensioner here is a 13mm bolt. You can go ahead and put a deep socket on there with your ratchet. And go ahead and loosen and remove that bolt. Just going to grab that tensioner, and it should be coming off in just a moment. And pull that unit out and set it aside. Now we have a little bit of aluminum corrosion on here. I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some spray solvent. And clean this up. Now, due to the corrosion on the engine block on the backside of our old belt tensioner, we're going to spray some anti-seize compound on the back side here. I did cover the back side of the pulleys because we don't want to mess. This notch here will line up with the bolt on the side or the front side of the block here. Lower a component down into place. Line that up. And go ahead and get your bolt installed. Now, if you want, you can put an anti-seize compound on that bolt as well. Let's go ahead and torque down that center bolt to 30 foot-pounds. Going to lower our belt down and get that put onto our crankshaft down below. It comes up around the power steering pump. It goes around the crank, over the idler, over the tensioner, up and over the AC. Down around the water pump. Now we have it around all of our pulleys. We just have to get this up. Our final one that we left it off of was our AC. We're just holding tension on it, but it is wrapped around everything else. Go on to our tensioner here. I'm going to pull up on this, giving us some more belt slack. There we go. Make sure that is on our water pump completely. Check all of your other pulleys. It is around all of our other pulleys completely. Belt is in all of the ribs. Now that you have that installed, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.